morning. Finally, we have some sunshine. And guess what I did in the rain yesterday? I went shopping. Alrighty. There's a clean slate. Alright, I want to talk about the bed. I'm going to show why I'm using this trampoline material. There's no mold will build up, and that's the biggest problem in small confined spaces, even bigger RVs, is the mold. Breathing at night, all that moisture stays inside your vehicle. Wintertime, the propane, almost everybody knows, puts out a lot of moisture. Laying the mattress, expensive mattresses on plywood, you're going to get mold. There's some product you can buy, but it's like $10 a square foot. I've heard people using it. I haven't heard any one way or the other. I'd rather play it safe. I'm using this 1/2-inch gas piping. As you can see, one thing, you cannot put this pipe in a square. That's why there's a hole in here and here. It worked out that way for me on that. Had this been a standard van, there would have been a rib right here, and I would have went through that, and I wouldn't have needed this cross brace right here. But since I don't have that rib there, put that cross brace in. And with this length, I need a little bit of support. I just got that temporarily so I can sit on it, but I brought it 13.5 inches up off the ground for my storage boxes. So I'm just going to make some little legs that go right through all the way down the center. If you want to get fancy, you can put a T there, put a pipe in, then around down there. I'm not that worried about that. The mold is the biggest issue, and also the lightweight. Look at all the 2x4s. I'm saving all the square inches, and believe me, in a van build, you go by square inches. Here's the bed. You see I drilled through the ribs here. Also that one up there. Doing that, I got that hook in the way. They're both right there and right there. This side, that's drilled all the way through. I'll show you on the other side. This one right here. Move that. I'm going to drill through there and through there. Then I string some mule tape on. Let me back up here. Oh, wait, there we go. On trampoline. I put the grommets in. And let me go around to the other side here. And as you can see, it's all tight right around there. Get this stuff out of the way. And this is all tied up. Now, sure people are going to be worried about the ribs. I had a unique problem with this being a conversion van where they took out the rib there. It used to be on the window and the one over here. I feel much better with that. I'm going to go with this for right now. Obviously you can see with no problem right here, and I can hook up another one over there, just switching these rods out with no problem. Very simple fix. Running a pipe all the way through across here where that original rib was, and if I have excessive stretching then I'll do that. But it's all very easy. Actually, I could have this out, the whole bed out, in a couple minutes. Main thing is going to be the mattress storage. And back there is going to be the garage. Like I said, this is a flowing floor plan. It's going to be mold free no matter what, because I'm sticking with this design per se, where you can breathe. The mattress will be able to breathe. As you can see right through it. So there will be no issues with the moisture in this bed. That's it for right now. Thanks, guys.